demand here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are in a festive spirit and celebrating Christmas with family and friends. Our journey started in Osigugu. We went down to Ondangwa, where we went to our final destination, which is Okasheshete village. This is the other part of Namibia, which is also a desert, but good for keeping livestock and growing vegetable and fruit tree. Here is how our Christmas day started. We are waiting for the meat, as the men are still preparing the meat to bring it here. But then here witness how we are cooking using kettle dug. That we normally collect in the afternoon, but we only use it when it's dry. And then, what is Christmas with no potato salad? We have to cook potato salad. Not only it takes long, it also tastes very good. So we started. So let me make this meat. I'm hungry. Man, this one sometimes remove appetite, ne? Just slaughter this goat in the morning.
With my nails.
What about your nails, Akwetu? So my mom prefers her butternut to be cut like this, peeled before we can cut. So this is what she's been doing. Them in cubes. After cutting them in cubes, you have to cook them with butter. They are tasty. You should try this. I love them, and I think I'll be cooking my butternut this way from now on. Not even though it takes long, but it's still nice though. Now we are done with the cooking, the serving part, the best part of the day. Everyone is tasting. We cook rice, meat, and then we converted them in macaroni salad, potato salad. But as for me, I can't wait to have this rice. I love it so much. My mom loves her butternut like this, so she's going to enjoy. We first have to serve the neighbors, the people that came to help us, the people that came to visit us. So first thing first, the boys. They get their food, and then it's us next. I couldn't show you the part where we mix this food. My battery got finished. But at least you're seeing the best part, which is the food part. I'm the main saver in this house, and they want to be giving meat. So let me give these people meat, and I'm so excited. The sky looks so beautiful, and what more can I ask for? So my mom and my daughter will be the one to be taking food to people, and me, I'll be here helping with serving the food to the neighbors and each and every person that come. For us here in our household, if you come and visit our house, we have to serve you, especially on Christmas. We have to give you some food. That is our tradition. And we are planning now. I am loving this food like this a lot, but then it's sufficient for them. My mom is enjoying this part where she has to serve the food. But then we got to day 2. This house have a lot of agricultural stuff going on, from the chicken, the pigs, the cows, everything. For now, let's start with the making tea. So let me see. We are just making tea. Today we are using this one. I've been here for 2 days now. In the village, this is how we make the tea. I'm just making for 2 people tea. My mom already had something else to eat. We're having this tea with a little bit of sugar, brown sugar. Do you guys like use the, because like here when you see where cattle dug, much smoke. In this village here, is no there's no tree. As there's no tree, we have to use those cow dung. There's this other big bag where we are collecting those things. Me being not so much patient, I'm trying to make this one faster. Hadi tanong suka ni. No, I need sugar, Joey. Tea mgine kaina sugar.
It's healthy for the skin, huh?
Tea without sugar.
Yes, your skin is even skinny.
Joey, my skin is what? Then after the year, we are just going to clean up. But guys, my tummy is bloated. I've been eating a lot of food. Like whole lot of food, rice, meat. And what else did we eat then?
My tummy is fine.
Let's go see what I'm turning. Today I'm going to collect the spinach on BD outside because we are going to take it along tomorrow when I'm going to work. Please teach me how to plow with the donkey. So at least today I'm lucky the guys are here and we have donkeys from our house actually, but I never got a chance to learn this one when I come for weekend or holiday. But today is a lucky day for me. I'm being taught how to use this donkey. They are very friendly, so I could use them today, or they could help. So it's a complicated this one is a complicated process to learn how to use the donkey. Not only I didn't know how to use the plow, but then was not directing the in the right way. So they even stopped and the guy had to help me. But you can see like this rain preparation is so good that they are not, this one is minimal soil disturbance. I have to remove my shoes guys because this requires some energy and concentration. I have enough of these donkeys. If they keep on stopping like this, I'll better just go and then do something else that I can do better. And let the guy take back their work because I had enough and I've been doing all these funny mistakes. The donkey is showing me flames, but let me go. If the donkey are not collaborating, let me go do something that I do better. Like preserving the meat. We don't have a freezer, guys. So for us to keep meat fresher for longer, we have to cut it in smaller pieces like this with a knife, and then we put salt and vinegar so that the fry don't lay their eggs on them. So it keeps them for longer, plus the meat tastes better. There's so much agricultural things happening in this house. This tree I planted 10 years ago, and it did really help the community during COVID. People came to collect lemon from here to eat, to give to their family member. It really helped the community. So if you are in position to plant a lemon today, please do. I did plant one lemon one orange, a guava, a mango tree, and some shade tree. Only the mango that died, but the rest of the trees are here. And guys, this is the guava we planted like 10 years ago, and it's now huge. There was a mango there, but it died. So plant your own, and then after a year I'm going to show you